I will talk about how can you disable notifications on your NovelToon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on mine down here, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile, it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on manage notifications, you just click on it here. Then you come to next step here, you click here on push notification here. So then you come to next step here, you come here to show notifications. Click in this sign, like you see color it's gone, that's mean here notifications disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.